Okay, I'm back with another example. This time we're going to be subtracting rational expressions, so make sure you see what happens when we get to that step. But we're going to start as we always do by factoring everything. So x squared plus 3x, I can factor an x out of both terms. I'm going to be left with x plus 3. Denominator there, I can factor 4 out. Okay, so something's going to cancel, that's nice. The left here, there's nothing I can do. Right? Remember, these x's don't cancel because this term doesn't have an x. So just leave it like that. That's going to allow us now to get our non-permissible values. Okay, I'm going to get one from the x plus 3. It's not allowed to be 0. Okay, just a reminder, you don't need to worry about this 4 because 4 can never equal 0. Okay, and then we get this 8x can't be 0 as well. But that just tells us that x can't be 0. Now let's cross these guys off. Okay. Cleaning up, I've got x over 4, subtract this term here, 2x minus 1 over 8x. At this stage, we have to figure out what our common denominator is going to be and how we're going to get there. All right, so what do you have to multiply 4 by to get 8x? Okay, 4 times 2 will give you the 8, and you need an x. So I'm going to say, let's multiply top and bottom by 2x. Okay, that's going to turn the top into 2x squared. Our bottom will be 8x. And the right expression stays the same. All right, you'll recall in the previous video when I brought things under the same, over the same denominator, I put the second numerator in brackets, and here's where it's going to come in really handy. Okay, it's because when you're subtracting, it subtracts both of these terms. Okay, so when I get rid of that bracket, it's going to be subtract 2x, but you're subtracting a negative 1. Okay, so you're actually going to write that as plus 1. All right, I'm not going to ask you to factor anymore. This is done. Okay, you can't get an x out of there because this term doesn't have an x. Again, the key I want you to see is when you subtract 2x minus 1, you're going to get minus 2x plus 1. But this is our solution.